How to fix charging on hold due to temperature error on iPhone. First up, all you have to do is access your control center by swiping down from the top right corner and make sure that you have your low power mode turned off. The low power mode is significantly the yellow option being highlighted in the battery icon. Turn it off, and then the next step to follow is go to the settings and scroll down until you see the general option. Click on general and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here click on shutdown and shut down your phone for a few minutes. Restart it and then check if the problem is still persisting. If you cannot shut down this way, you can also force restart your phone. The next option that you have to click on is display and brightness, and make sure that your brightness is set to the lowest value, or at least the minimum that you can see the screen on. You may then have to wait for a few minutes for your phone temperature to cool down, and this is how you can easily fix charging on hold due to temperature error. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.